All of you love games and all of you are ready with your tickets also. Here is Aruna ma'am who is going to play the game Tambola. Over to you, Aruna ma'am.
Hari Om everybody, I'll just share my screen and hope everybody of you have your ticket ready. Yes, here it is. Okay, all of you have your tickets ready?
Aunty, I don't have my ticket.
So you have to make it immediately. Yeah, make it like this with 9 spaces quickly.
Okay.
Even elders can play this game. All the 20 except Pavitra Amma and me, I think all of us can play this game. Because Pavitra Amma is to check no. And I have to play. So come on, all of you with 9 squares, just draw 2 standing lines and 2 sleeping lines and your 9 squares are ready. Now, please read the list below and write the words in any of the 9 spaces in any order. That's not first, second, third. Huh? You have to put it in your order. So
Aruna ma, they have to write and show their tickets, right?
Yes, yes.
Ah.
Everybody, I will be giving 20 seconds for them to do it. Is it fine? 20 seconds? So respect, compassion, share, forgiveness, cleanliness, teamwork, service, gratitude, and charity. I think Sonakshi is there, the winner of last time. So let us see how she plays the game.
Whoever has done, please show it in the screen.
Even elders can play. 2 standing lines and 2 sleeping lines make 9 squares. This is our created Tambola, okay?
Have you all done? We have learned so many values. No cheating. Yes, Inchara, good.
So you tell me when the time is up so that I change my slide and come to this transparent little bowl which is going to help us. Are you going to help us? Yes. I do not know the chits inside, okay? So don't think I know the names. They're all jumbled up. Shake, shake,
Yeah.
shake, shake.
Gayatri, done. Wonderful. Others, quick, quick, quick. Sonakshi, good. Akshara, yes. Sanvi, Aditya, Atreyi, Shalini. Sorry,
Even
Aditya.
elders can play. Even elders can play.
Atreyi, done. Okay. No duplicate tickets, only one ticket.
And no cancellations.
Ma'am, I don't have paper.
Oh, it's okay. Sanvi will play instead of you.
Sanvi will play. Sanvi can make 2 tickets ready.
So sweet. Smriti's ticket is ready.
My ticket is ready.
Okay. So shall we start playing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yo, Sonakshi, your voice is so soft.
Sonakshi has not yet shown the ticket.
Sonakshi, you have to show your
Ma'am,
ticket.
I have.
No, you have to
show.
show it. You have to show it. Then only we know you have filled all the 9 squares, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody else to finish with the ticket?
Aditya, done. Aditri,
Not done.
Aditya, done. Okay. Rajit? Yes. Show. Good, good, good. Only Aditri is pending.
Aditri Nayak.
Okay. Yes, ma. Start.
You start? Okay, so shake, 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 shake. I'm going to the first chit. The first chit or the center one, which we call laddu. Okay, not laddu to eat. Huh? This is laddu. I am keeping my bowl down. Okay, and I'm opening the chit. Oh, the first value that we learned is what did we do together? Teamwork. So the teamwork is the first value. Anybody who has got the value in the center, that's the laddu. Okay.
Vaishnavi got, ma'am.
Vaishnavi has got. Pavitra.
Vaishnavi, have you got? Show the ticket quickly. Show to the screen. Okay.
So I put down the first ticket. I go to the second one. And the second one is, it's a basic unwritten value is what the children said.
Cleanliness.
And it can, yes, and it is visible every day's routine. Very correct. So the second one in the corner is 2. Anybody in cleanliness?
I got
Oh,
cleanliness.
great.
Yes, Amma, I also got.
Okay, very good. Please tick it. Please tick it. I think our children have learned to play.
What is the word? I have got cleanliness.
Cleanliness number 2. Gayatri. Number 2 is cleanliness.
In the second number, it should come. In the second, where I have written 2 on the screen. If you have written cleanliness there, Gayatri, then you have to tick it. Please don't cancel. Please do tick so that we know your ticket. Now shake, 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 shake. Come on. Let's go to the third one. Oh, this is if you get 1 chocolate, Sanavi, you have to share it with your sister. So that is the third one. Very good, very good. Come on. Third one. Tick it. Next. I'm going to the next one. Here. Oh, number 4. What do? We touch the feet of our elders.
Respect.
Very good. That's it. Anybody for respect in number 4? Oh, no.
Yes, sir.
Who is that? Very good, Akshara.
Gayatri also got? Yes. Okay.
Okay, very good. Come on. Anybody with 4 squares, 4 corners? No, because I have to yet do 5. The 5th one is service to mankind is service to God. What is it? Seva bhav. Seva bhav. Okay. So
Amma, service in 5th.
yes.
Amma, service in 5th.
Yeah, she has got service in 5th. Correct.
Okay, very good. So anybody with 4 corners, put your hand up. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Cleanliness, share, respect, and service.
Ma'am, what is in the 5th?
Service. Seva.
No, ma'am, I got 3.
Okay, doesn't matter. Let's go to columns. Let's go to the 6th one. Oh, the 6th one. This, please name the value where we let go of negative emotions.
Forgiveness.
Ill feel. Very good. Ill feeling.
Forgiveness.
Forgiveness. In number 6, we have forgiveness.
Gayatri got.
Wow, that's great, Gayatri. Next. Let's shake because there are only few left. So we have 7 number. Oh, this is a very, very important one. We express this not only in our words, but also
Gratitude.
for deed.
Gratitude.
Yes, gratitude. Anybody in number 7 for gratitude?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Very good. Akshara, very nice. So we have the last two left.
Gayatri too. Okay.
Very good. Anybody column 1, 2, 6 and 4? Cleanliness, forgiveness and respect? No. So I'm going to the 8th one. The 8th one. The 8th one is, it's a very, very noble deed which should be practiced by
Charity.
each one of us
Charity.
as human beings. Animals can't do
Charity.
it. No.
Charity.
No. Human beings.
Compassion.
Yes. Compassion. Correct. So compassion goes to number 8. And the last
Excuse
one,
me, Amma. Got it.
which one? Which row?
Ma'am, I completed that 283.
You completed?
283.
283. Oh, she's got the line in the word.
Yes.
The horizontal. Yes.
Ma'am.
She's got the line, not the column.
Yeah, Akshara, immediately send a clip
Even
in the
I
group.
also have
Who is that?
280.
Who is
Excuse
that?
me, Amma. Even I also got first line 280.
Who is that?
Aditri.
Aditri did not tell when the line comes.
Excuse me, Amma.
3.
I have 2 lines done vertically. I raised my hand for it, but you didn't see.
Oh, that's great. Please send it to Pavitra Amma. Very good.
Immediately send a clip in the group or send
Please
it to me.
clap. Please clap. Very good. In the end, we will see the last chit. That last chit. Tick, 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 tick for the whole house. That which begins at home.
Charity.
Yes, charity is the last word. We complete the full house.
Ma'am, I got it. Charity.
Okay, so 1 minute. Let me call out and Pavitra, please check if they have the numbers. In the columns, we have 2, 6 and 4. Cleanliness, forgiveness and respect. In the second column, we have 8, 1 and 9. That is compassion, teamwork and charity. In column 3, we have share, gratitude and service. Whereas in the lines, we have 2, 8 and 3. That is cleanliness, compassion and share. In the second line, we have forgiveness, teamwork and gratitude. That is 6, 1 and 7. And in the last line, we have 4, 9 and 5. That is respect, charity and service. Thank you, children. Hope you enjoyed it.